Welcome back everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Now this video that you're about to see is a trip that I took on Thanksgiving. It is long time due and I was way too lazy to sit down and edit all of it. So instead I contacted the lovely Danielle on Fiverr and I asked her to do it for me. The link to her Fiverr is down in the description below. I hope you enjoy this video like I did. Let's see it together. So this is the first time in my life that I'm going to drive a car on a ferry. I'm finally in Delaware. I'm going to drive now to Dover and see what there is to see there, probably spend the night, and from there I'll move on. Washington DC will have to wait for next time. After going back to Best Buy and picking up a SD card, now I'm all set. Now the plan is to find somewhere to eat and somewhere to sleep. Let's go! So after eating dinner in this small place in Dover, I think I found a campground that I could park my car, use the blow-up bed in the car for the first time. Let's hope it goes well. So I arrived at a campsite somewhere in New Jersey. I'll post it down there somewhere. And I bought a mattress for the car a while ago, so I'll set it up and hopefully it will be comfortable enough to sleep in, and I'll wake up without a broken back. So here we go.
Eight hours later.
So I just woke up. It's 7:30. It's freezing over here. The bed wasn't bad. It's a bit small, so you're cramped. Have to change position all the time. Overall, I slept okay. It is so cold that I'm even using the unicorn beanie. I have to have something on my head, if not I'm going to freeze to death. Hopefully I'll be able to find enough inner strength to get out of bed and start the day. I hope so. If not, I'll probably be here for the next week or so. So it's finally warm enough in my car that I feel confident in going outside and trying to start this day. Let's go. So now that my car is back to operating conditions, we have a long day ahead. First, I need to find a nice place to try the drone out for the first time. So I stopped in a dollar store to buy another USB connector to the car and a cable to charge both the remote and the drone on my way to the next national park. Once I get there, hopefully they'll be charged sufficiently, make a few videos, fly the drone a bit, and start my long drive home. We'll see you there. This place truly is stunning. Look how many duckies. Now look at that. Apparently we're not allowed to fly drones here, so I'll try to find somewhere else so that I could continue. So I am in Port Penn right now, on my way to the waterfront, and then I'll hook everything up and put the drone in the air. It's going to be exciting. So for some reason it didn't charge while I was driving, or at least not enough. So sadly I don't have any battery on the drones. And the 2 extra batteries that came with it are also flat. So I'll have to continue driving. Hopefully I'll have enough battery on the way home to put it up in the air again. We'll see you there. Delaware, you are one beautiful state. I most definitely am going to come back and visit. Probably after the winter. And now, home we go. Okay, so I finally got everything connected. See? Ha! You can see everything. Now let's take off for the first time.